sue the man again. Now they call the carry man, they put for us. Who be the idiot to mommy? I bought this idiot put for see person husband. Mona see husband for Europe. I'm a traditional man. Traditional man with the leak to toe. Traditional man when woman put for us, they call himself traditional man. Tradition don't die where you dey. Nothing concern tradition for where don't preach day. Don't preach not supposed to dey practice tradition. You when woman put for yourself, use that shower money, they feed you. What it concern tradition. Some woman carry lazy binima put for us, they feed her. See human being, see. Mona you see, this kind of person they walk. Mona, this one go feel walk again. Don't preach not they breathe the rich ground. Don't preach not they breathe the rich ground. How this one want to walk? This don't suwu. This don't suwu so. How this don't suwu want to walk? One is a man lock and put for his house for Bodo. See, Mona see una brother for Europe. I get brother for Europe. Mona see. Ugbobo Pekin. Ugbobo was a criminal. Ugbobo was a criminal in Opa. He's a criminal. Ugbobo is a criminal. Ugbobo will not know a children finish. Ugbobo is a criminal. See, person, see. If you say for another guy, not be a call of this. Don't go better for woman when carry people for us, they feed you. When make you lazy like foul. All this women go, you carry man or you carry man put for us. They feed them. Now don't make our men lazy finish on Europe. Say, which work this one fit do again? Now this buff. This buff somewhere be like pig for Italy. Italy say Mayale. This one be like Mayale. So which work this Mayale want fit do again? See, I'm gonna see person. Where this one for fit work? This Mayale. So this bush pig. This bush pig. Where this bush pig want for fit work again now? Whose fabric go collect this bush pig? Woman you look for his ass. He just eat some more, they lick toto, they eat some more, they drink toto water, it can't over swell up. Now woman, I put the man for his ass, they feed them. All these women, now ain't good for her. Una go frustrate on this Europe. Now go frustrate. Don't preach where I don't do a shower tire. You don't see who carry her. Now he carry the priest for his ass. Una know they get my point. Now, woman went to do a shower, when you not see Maria, now they lock man for his ass. That is my belief. That is my belief. Woman went to do a shower, you not see Maria, now they lock man for his ass, they feed her. The man know they go farm, you know they go anywhere. You know they go farm, you know they go anywhere. Man supposed to do. See, fair, government they give women ass. Yes, but you get where you take package yourself. People not go know saying that the woman will they feed you. At least they come up for us. Today and Saturday, since now you see me for every day the money. I don't go pick early money or I don't go also. Maybe this around 6 now the physical come go my restaurants. I'll still go wash my plate. How a full grown man like this go do to my for his house for government house that they use what they call them for France? They use government money to they feed this kind of big person. Government picking. Don't preach, you be government picking, and government picking that you be. Now government picking. Don't preach you go carry your wife document, cause she was so Tito say France don't give a document. Go and show us say that your passport now did that document, don't preach. Show us say that your passport now did that. No fear who. No soon who you are not better pass your wife. Your wife is a late prostitute. Now me talking. Your wife now late prostitute like Mama Laura. Now small now Mama Laura take better pass your wife. Your wife is a late prostitute like Mama Laura. Now Bodo your wife also. Your wife and Mama Laura they do competition. Your wife and Mama Laura they do competition for her shower. Now her shower they lock more people for his house when you not get you not get life again. You know say no man go fit carry her. The priest wife no say no man go fit carry her. That's why he carry the priest lock his house. He feed her. A useless woman. A useless woman. Carry full grown man for his house. He feed her. He dey swell up. Oh my brother, my cutie. Oh brother, my brother will give me lion that day. My brother, pocketing for breeder money, pocketing for breeder money, you not go be like Don Priest, oh. Because to say you lazy like Don Priest, for nothing give me lion. Now God go bless you, my brother. All these men, they don't say they know they give person. All these men we know how to work, so me I know they give them. All these men we know how to work when they do live video 24 hours. Me I know they give them. Me I know they give them. At least man go see do something. Me will go work around 6, I'll go wash plate. In the morning I'll go shower. No, you might be happy. In the evening I'll go my restaurant work. In the morning I'll go wash plate. I know be human being. In the evening I'll go wash plate. Nobody the social media all of us they do. Social media is supposed to be when you day less busy. Social media is supposed to be when you day less busy. But these lazy people like Enogie, like Don Priest, they take it like normal issue. Okay, Mr. Man. They take it as normal issue to just carry social media for social media na pattern. A lazy man is a lazy man.
I greet you, bro.
Hello, Papa.
Good afternoon. Happy weekend.
Say to you, my brother. A lazy man.
You know what? Now, people when they give them money, you just imagine now, person that woman put this one for us, you know they work. He can never say something meaningful. The way the guy they behave like person where he be say no, the guy not the mentally balanced.
He be like picking with the square. He be like picking with the square.
Yes, they make babu no say.
Amoué no, my brother. Amoué no, amoué.
Person make no matter me say no. It's funny.
Thank you, my brother, for the gift.
That is how he behaves.
My brother, amoué no, amoué.
And besides, he be like say the guy they take something like a drug or he be like say they take weed.
No, you know they take a drug, my brother. He dey stay on that woman. He dey stay on that woman.
Just imagine, very lazy, man. The guy should go and get something doing.
When they stay on that woman, I like want it better for her.
Should go and get something doing, man.
Okay, my brother, when I take screenshot of this picture, now around 80 the money. Around 80 the money. This people you all depend on government.
Just
government they take care of them.
Just imagine.
Around 80 the money. Now take screenshot this picture.
From the tomorrow now. They
okay, just see full grown man. You carry beat put for head. Come live video. Beat. Come live video.
Easy.
Doing what?
As in, bro, sorry to say this, so I be being guys, but can I tell you something, If I say this Europe side of it, guys will be saying lazy pass. If you see me, they measure the time. Not Benin. I'm sorry to say.
Now some Benin men. So you see the way they also.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying not Benin. Me, I don't work. I also. But when it comes to people who be say they lazy pass, Benin people carry one. They are number one. Oviedo here, I'm a Benin person. Oviedo, my mom and dad, they be Benin. So not because I not be Benin, now make me they talk all this one. So no, I must say the truth. When it comes to laziness, give on to Benin boys. They be number one.
Let Mr. Mac talk. Mr. Mac
they be they're lazy. They're lazy. Just imagine the other one called himself Easy Boy. Always they behave like this. Always come on live stream in the morning. In young boy, you get 2 or 2 less. You are begging. You can't go and work. So you try to look these people. When
okay, no, not be the beg when Easy Boy say no go fit beg for you. Brother Mr. Mac. Not be the beg when Easy Boy say no go fit beg for Europe. Not be the beg for Nigeria.
Thank you. They beg for Nigeria. Just imagine. That will not be Benin boys. Bro, I'm sorry to tell you. Not be lie. Nah,
you the beg naira. Your mates they beg euro. You the beg naira.
Understand? So if you say me, you look at them many like that. They break. They're not get anything doing. Just want,
no, bro, if this guy they work, he go be like this. See human being when they show you now. See human being. My sister talk what you want to talk. This is idiot man.
Dombele na ogun go ki ogun ya gbiju e Dombele. The Oyinbo woman when Dombele key for Italy that time we take that money run conference. I know the story. Now me with a first day for this area for Italy. Now jobless man, very useless man. Dombele ogun ya gbo e o domugo you gbogbo. Now ogun go kill you. As you say, Lucky Nice matter no go let you rest. Now Lucky Nice head go kill you.
We off here.
Ogun ya gbo e gba ye. Ogun ya gbo e gba ye.
I beg, you don't do I beg. Don't talk that one.
Don't pass your boundary. You understand me?
I bet don't talk that one. Don't talk that one. Your face don't please. Your face don't
understand
please.
me? You also saw the
Your face don't please.
You understand?
Your face don't please.
This lazy set of people, they as in they annoying. Very lazy, bunch of lazy boys.
They do very for no game with the no get see their belly as big like a Odo Selama. Their belly big anyhow. They know they work. Lazy people. Go yak be no gear. Oh, go yak be no get go yak so.
Why am I body with dog? Why you can't bomb my body? When I do today, that one how don't they finish? Oh, Mona take a easy on the Enogie. Me Enogie not go and yourself. Oh, Enogie don't finish.
No, bro, forget about that Enogie side. That one they try to help people anyway. You understand? But now you saw this, all these other guys. Now they annoy me. Mostly this one. Can I tell
this
you
one?
this guy? I can't watch him for like 2 minutes. Nothing good comes out from his mouth.
He wife now.
Good.
This one, that shower when for us.
A whole grown-up man like this. If they talk so
that shower when put up for us, everyone you the beat. That shower. That shower when put up for us.
Ah God.
No. How can a woman go put man for us?
Single maturity, the guy not get the way he behaves, the way he talks. Ah, God of Israel.
Kawo kabiesi o, Mama Laura kawo. Isago abasedo, Mama Laura. Isago abasedo.
See,
Isago abasedo.
Okay, looking nice. If you see all these bunch of Muslim boys for this European, when they did Nigeria, now so they see bill. You know
okay, my brother, you they blame this boy now. Not be one woman used to totally lock this boy for his house. Woman. One useless woman we don't do a shawotaya for Bodo. We don't do a shawotaya for Bodo. He locked on prison for his house. Man, not they work. He follow you there for his house. They do social media around 80 the money. You are a failure.
And the social media, the guy is not cashing out from it. Instead, they go, you can they constitute news.
They fully said, they say they do tradition. Traditional man when they lead to do.
Social dish. Ah, and make babu no ogun je
my brother, alagbo de no every megbe, alagbo de no.
The guy always calls almost work here.
Elasbo no, Elasbo
no. Kero why
na do your mono na last born ya do.
God help him anyway.
The last born no. Very useless fellow. Now me, you want follow me do for this talk. Me is a who where see. Now your wife me go cause quarrel for you and your wife for this TikTok. Me go don't big belly. Don't sugu. Me go cause quarrel for you and your wife for this TikTok. Don't sugu.
Don't foul.
If
the guy went the watch this live stream, madam, if you didn't hear the watch, this your husband will keep for us. Tell him to go and work. Then I may go and do something meaningful with his life.
Now, once you say woman, I love the place. The place come out for us. He just locked door.
Doing with his life.
He just locked door.
Not be to come social media. They constitute.
He just locked door. He just locked door. Place for his ass. It's a woman.
Just imagine, I have a bunch of
never swear here, no that lebe that bear. Useless, I never see some woman like this. I never see some woman when mumu like don't please where there's some people not behave like this.
Come this side. Since then they defend for Italy. Oh,
don't do a shago finish. Go lock one man for his house. The man not they work, the man not they do anything. Lock and shower for his house. Idiot human being. Idiot human being. He carry one woman call a platform say, Wameti be lucky. Go and walk, don't please, go and walk. You are a lazy man when woman defeat. You when woman defeat, they talk to me. Now what bear you are, you when woman defeat, you they talk to me. Any woman when lock man for his house, so this Europe, the man not they walk, go back beluwa go back beluwa any woman when lock man for his house, the man not they walk, who waga fear who waga they lock our man for his house again. I'm a shawo. When I tell my husband go walk.
This guy now so lucky now.
I locked the place for his house.
Lucky. This guy, man, Napoli fair do. Fair get connection for Napoli. He
I
can't.
know,
He
I
don't.
know, I don't know. I know for Napoli now for Catatunu now. I
Yes,
don't know. I don't be idiot. I don't know. The idiot human being. Idiot human being.
The guy should go and get something doing. He should
They
go and
don't
get
use
something better
Toto.
doing.
Don't preach now. They don't Toto don't look up for sa as I really want. I contribute one another. Now all these people that they make government say they don't tire for us on Europe. How can a man like this depend on a government with your whole full life, with your wife money?
Hey,
I don't even want to see the wife.
Man like him. Hey,
If you see the
this guy is so he should be older than the president of Senegal. This guy so
where
they are world leaders. See, this one so nobody or whatever you hear now.
They look up us. See, that is a woman. That is someone to the saga. You be that boy where that lay. That's where yeah. Don't please, girlfriend. That's where yeah.
See, now you be our own one. Now you get this TikTok. Go here, no get Anna, no one.
No go, man, where they agree saying na oh too. He say na oh too.
See your back. You be our own one. Lucky.
Say na oh too.
No be all this.
One where they call it disgraceful when happen. He say Ian was so caring. Ian was so caring. They call me 7 o'clock in the morning. Enogie, you be fool.
They don't say no get later today. They say if they come police station, may no carry a wife, come they for go deport her.
Enogie na incubator pikin. Na inside bottle they for born Enogie inside bottle. Enogie they behave like incubator pikin. Enogie they behave like incubator pikin. You walk gonna be Enogie. Can you imagine? Get when they do PA, they follow you when see the answer of you. You want to talk now, you say they like you. Say just that he not showing. No be incubator pikin they behave like that. He loving me, it's just that he did not say it. Also, a homeless man when they on that woman. Enogie cause we say he never fuck mama Lord and sister. Woman when to do a shower if you not fuck 2 days na problem. Now we the town as he be. Now not talk say lucky they talk and we the talk as he be.
Bro, I bet I'll join you.
Woman when don't do a shower no they feed a beer prick. Mama Lord I don't feed beer prick. Mama Lord I don't feed beer prick. Me Enogie can swear say he never fuck mama Lord as there. Enogie can swear say since they never chop mama Lord food. You never fuck mama Lord. They don't do the cleansing. Where is the cleansing? Isango kabiesi kawo. Kabiesi kawo. Kabiesi kawo. Isango ambassador. Mama Laura the Isango ambassador. Kawo kabiesi. Kawo kabiesi. Kawo ye Laura. Kawo ye Laura. Kawo wo. Ye Laura. Now Isango they worry you. Isango, if not be Isango, they not go break. Isango, now I tell you say me you talk say oh good they kill you. Now Isango tell you say me you talk say oh good they kill you. Oh good they kill you. Now Isango tell you. Now Isango, now I tell you madam Isango ambassador. Nonsense. Nonsense.
I agree with you, brother, man.
Me I greet you, see your friend though. Now Toto you follow day for us. So you go.
See, lucky nice. I did respect you, not be my friend though. God forbid, Bassi.
I will say that your cousin. I will say that your cousin.
No, God forbid. This one a person. Oh man, here. Hey, don't priest in that way. Ayo you wa. Second ayo you wa.
Mona tell don't priest. Oh, koko de don't priest. He draw your boy. Oh, I make bokoko ni. Oh, I make bokoko. Oh, koko na ne don't priest. He draw your boy. Oh, mamio kae. Koko no draw your boy. Mamio kasolo eh. Oh, I make hig boy there. See this one where go Enogie live video. See, now me be your public figure. May I block you here first? Because if I not be your public figure, you don't go use my profile to do picture. Now me go the father on for this TikTok. You didn't wear. See, me lucky. I know the change profile and one profile they use. If I call your TikTok, you know say I'm lucky. Anybody when put any other picture, take call your TikTok, not be me. That is not me. Oh, if lucky come, you will not say lucky don't come. Foundation don't go now. Amari Miro. Foundation go. Foundation don't go. Our money, our foundation money. They chop and nyafu. They chop and yaga. They chop and nyafu. Me wage don't
Don't
please.
don't
Please, before you follow me do saga, show me what you take to pay your ass straight or show me what you take to pay Nepa B.
Don't priest me never
Don't
pay
please
action for you.
show me what you take to pay Nepa B. Don't please. You don't pay Nepa B once move here.
Europe all do agu.
No, make that your wife, make you die, leave that your wife, make your wife talk to widow. Oh, yes, fan us one no where you are, oh, anyway. Total liquor, total drinker. Oh, anyway, when we put you for us or bodo.
Old mama.
My brother, I believe saying I shower when no see who marry her, now they carry my put for us if you down. Why woman go carry adult put for us a feed? Why one woman go carry adult put for us a feed? Adult will get leg and hand. You carry up for us a feed. I shower is a woman. Now go do a shower do.
Enogie aussi come accord it all. We are made for the ally. Oh, go billion.
Have a shower. Ton priest no dey work. Enogie no dey work. Yan wa la life don't know we are this in yan whatever.
No matter. Nonsense people. Ogun gbewi. Ewi, you know better for your life again. Ewi. Lare ni si we bolo a ewi. Ewi na ya lu won me, ewi no mama. Enogie wi wa no. Ayite ye wi ya zizobo. Wa gbe o. Ọmọ na ze bien oji. Nonsense man. Me go dey allow you see they talk. Ogun gbiju e. Oye bossas. Oye magin. Obaneze, Torino. Holland. Ashawo lo sheshe. Awa bijuwa. See Enogie. Since Enogie come Europe, he never pay Austrian once. See Don Priest big belle.
So,
if I play Don Belle will bust.
No, even know what happen. Don priest don't leave children. Don priest na single father.
Nonsense man.
Don priest even less more. Don priest where the woman wey born 2 children for you for Bodo. Don priest where we gonna go ememia is a go where. Don priest where the woman wey born 2 children for you for Bodo. Don priest. Don priest Uber. Don priest when they do Uber before. This woman I get it born for you. Don priest. Godfather, you the same request. Don priest, where the woman wey born 2 children for you? I dey ask you question. Don priest, go answer us on your platform. Don priest, where the woman when he born 2 children for you, whether Mama Kevi, they call her Mama Kevi. Where the woman wey born 2 children for you? Don priest, baby mama, where are you? Don priest, baby mama, where are you? Don priest, you are here listening to me. Where the woman when he born 2 pikin for you? Don priest, you are here listening to me. Don priest, where the woman when get 2 children for you?
Don priest will feel work. They don't put Don priest for us.
Don priest, where the woman when born 2 children for you for France? Don priest, where the woman? Where the woman? Go tell us on social media where the woman go. Don priest, go tell us on social media where the woman go. Woman when born 2 children for you. You don't leave who born 2 children for you. You go follow this as an old woman. This one that come born girl for you. Don priest. Don priest, a single father will be him.
Nonsense man, no fit feed the pikin. Don priest, you will still continue to call the talk.
Don priest, no less a family. Don priest, where is your family? Don priest, where is your baby mama? Don priest, where is your baby mama? No fear who work bon. A lazy man. You no fit work now. Fuck you the fuck. Don priest, you no fit work you the fuck. Ne kia work balek we. May you use your priest to tie your ways.
You say one.
Ekiano muene mwigo, obono muene mwigo. Don priest. Obono muene mwigo. Don priest, and the auto to you are the home money.
Nonsense man for abroad.
Obono muene mwigo. You focus on Toto, you dey lead Toto. Don priest, where are your children? Where your 2 pikin? Don priest, where your 2 children? Who will laisse moi? Saga yo the start. Saga da soin. Saga yo the start. Saga never start.
They will see the same for body.
See, Don priest, I go do that. Your wife when they will for us. Your wife will go to behave like Mama Laura. If I don't make it sound go worry that your wife. Don priest, If me no let make it go worry that your wife may come and tell us say in your na like the warrior, you know so not be weak for this TikTok.
That one will kill her.
But see, don't please, you know it be TikTok, this is on Facebook. That your wife, I go torment, I ain't go to torment you. This I don't know how to do saga. We dey read saga. No be you me want come for. Now that your wife, me I twere you go work be ya twere you work be wowa. I go make your wife, I go make that your girlfriend, no they give it to again. I know they call down my wife because you know marry her. You know marry her.
Enogie Larry, what's the one post Oviwe Nore Nigeria? Why you not they post your pikin made in Nigeria? Enogie, ni va bofia kulelue. Enogie Larry ni tene gwenya we. If you post any person that your pikin and they post here because they post now, I need to come for this TikTok. Ogun gbiju Enogie. Ogun gbiju Enogie.
So don't press who will laisser moi à don't press. Avec baby papa pour TikTok now. So don't please, you run leave children, you call the talk on TikTok, don't please. Et don't please, vous avez laissé moi, where do I go with TikTok, don't please. So you still run leave children. Et don't please, vous allez laisser mes voix, don't please run leave two children, au Nigeria, mon comme.
Au Bogbe.
Don't please, don't take care of children. Et don't please, vous allez laisser moi. Et very lazy man. Abe gaspo na me carry topolo come up. I don't know what they have to my network or this side. A very lazy man. Mon carry topolo come up. A very lazy man.
Don't please go see the talk. You may not feed your picking. Oh, go on, boy, don't please.
Don't please let roll little children. He baby my daughter come up for a city when he did now. He baby my daughter come up for Bodo because of the priest. You know if he bear the shame.
President.
Nonsense man. Nonsense man.
I want to go press Nyash coffee. Me don't depress. The please don't press me. I want to go press Nyash.
May you go press Nyash. Make me the press don't press on this side.
Your press neck.
Meanwhile you the press don't press. I go press until he bust.
The mistake where Isango woman make. Now this Dombele woman don't make so. It's welcome. We can justify now.
Welcome to Saga.
Yes, so welcome to war. Now war, not be Saga. Now war.
As your talk yesterday, now you say this one don't come. You are welcome. You know say the praise the woman say, you don't say my wife don't talk. My one you say my wife they talk. Your wife don't talk now.
He talk yesterday.
He don't talk now. It's welcome.
He never did all this. All this will never know it to be Saga. What is for the one who to be Saga?
If I want to justify I'll say it cost me for diploma platform. And he depressed me for diploma platform, so I can depress anywhere I like. That's
okay, don't please. Your children are two boys when you run leave. You run leave two boys for woman, don't please. I am calling leave your lajan.
The woman we carry Dombele from Italy go France. You know say he rough go follow that shago now. He don't use you for her.
Don't please marry that woman with two boys, so be that woman first get children. Don't pull us wait till they happen now. Don't please leave your children. You don't follow that woman when don't get two children.
Yeah, no, what they talk.
Easy, this guy na mumu.
No, Prince, Napoli fed the state now. Napoli fed the state.
I say me and this guy don't see now. I see him for see. I dey tell her me and his brother be set, not be me and him. I say for a brother marriage now. So don't please that I talk and say that woman and a useless single mother that I carry don't please. Now retire Ashawo. The woman not see who carry again, they take carry don't please.
Oh, want carry that one. Oh, want carry that one.
They get value for market.
Are you style?
For where Igbo made.
Dombele single mother na second value.
Nah, Igbo made.
After 15 years for road work, go carry one move for his ass.
Go carry one move, go the fit for his ass. After 100 years in road work.
They make my
girlfriend don't big belly.
Those pedophiles should we progress it to belly. You see, now with the tell go born, when you tell us they go born, you know say the cause that person to the down, so they will the cost now picking too.
Now only one girl don't come for that woman. Only one girl, woman get two children.
That picky go fiawo. Dombele, that your wife will fian for your you never know anything that they play. Since you
So
not
you
carry
go
cross
marry
of
that
her,
woman
just
with
for
2
small.
boys. Where your old where the married children don't pele?
Those children will
The
beat her.
woman
Those
when you
children
fair
will
keep
beat
belle
her.
for Podo, where?
Those children will beat her. Those children will beat her. They will beat Christmas. You know, make her
This
old
boy
now.
carry
You know,
document,
her.
come show us the document, document.
Yeah, I
We
mean,
not see a picture for the document. He carry
Very
Yashabo
good,
document called
very
the show us on
good.
TikTok. No fear who
They play.
wagon.
Go and work for your old age.
Lazy man.
This mumu
Lazy
with the
man.
50-year-old come on. They say I need to work. I want give a 50-year-old. Wow, you know, when a 50-year-old won't give woman. We a 50-year-old won't give woman. They say I need to work. Man, I say I need to work. I need 50-year-old. Wow, go on blue
Before
there.
you bring that
Look
50
at
euro, come
that.
on, now, voila. Now, voila.
Maybe your fair leave all those ones first. Since Don Bellesin and person cross will carry. They make her, they say to follow. And they say you want for the first time. Because now how to the court of polo, now how to the call people make it. Not take the follow, I mean for the first time. Not get the follow, I mean for the first time. But when this boy they move follow why idiot when they told people
Person
why
they
they
want for
no call
you.
her, no call her. They go just only they call. Me not take the follow now, me not take the follow now, me not cut the follow now. As me you be a man like me, see somebody feel call me. Man like me, still person feel call me say, na cut the follow na cut the follow na take the follow me take the press. This one go suffer. The way Papa take go thief foul, we can't tell am. Papa will be thief, gbogbo will be thief, gbogbo will be assassin for upper. No, gbogbo from 10 go. Gbogbo will be assassin. You never talk about your useless Papa finish for prison.
Tompolo,
Yeah,
the
usual.
woman where this guy married, this woman leave him. This guy leave him.
Na
The woman. No,
when
he get woman when we gotta come from Italy, come France. He don't leave that one.
better woman fit stay with this one before.
He don't leave that one. Come go meet this Ashawo when put her for us. So now where for they do delivering work now for meet this Ashawo when they put her for us. So now where don't priest for they do delivering work now for meet this Ashawo when they talk yesterday.
If you go that woman, when you see say that woman say they go shower work.
I go and you don't know me go and you don't
No
know.
be bodo, need to make sure.
Me I will go snap to priest wife for road work. He never know it be war. I do. He never know it. Where he wife for the do Ashawo, I'll go snap her.
If I no see to
This woman, this guy, woman when he marry now, he don't run leave her for France. Now that woman he can't follow. Don't please don't leave the family, don't follow Ashawo. Don't please don't leave the family, follow Ashawo. Don't please don't leave the family. He don't leave his wife and children, follow Ashawo. Follow us and woman when to don't clap at it.
You can't hear word. I see the way that I'm 95 for you.
Ashawo when to don't clap at it. Now carry to priest for us, they take care of the priest. Man, your day na woman they feed you, now they clothe you.
President. This idiot, this hypocrite move, this foolish one, he comes like on a platform say, stars, this woman just like give her 3 million. If a look at another woman, if she will let her go to say, see, they say like to finish. No, no, say this is of my cartel.
No, I don't tell that one yesterday. Now, you know, say Tito daughter to cartel. He no say Tito daughter to cartel. Now, he dey look as everybody na one.
This idiot probably go that place where they tell say it's a diplomat. This woman, so just like give her go on budget 3 million. What 3 million? Wow, fiango.
You went that they help you. Say me they no help person. They help you. You say me they no help person. A woman put you for us. Don't please show me the way you take the pay never be when your name there. I want to see her. I be government. Both you, your wife, una be government children. Both you, your wife, you are not be your wife and your girlfriend and baby mama.
That woman, it do. Na internet work, internet.
Useless as a woman. Ashawo, ashi, whatever. Ugbe agbon. Jeye is a woman. Prostitute. Mwanya saba. Mwanya saba. Mwanya dede.
Any man will get big belly, I go punish him. Any man.
Amen. Any man will get big belly when they get blessed, you no go better for you. See that for social media. Don't please, why your belly they swell up? Why your belly they swell up? Don't please. See, don't please face. You see, don't please face. See the way me face swell up. See the way me don't please face your swell up. Face your swell up. You they drink toto. They drink toto.
woman get better. Does they bully women? And man get big belly. All this idiot will get big belly. Woman will don't
he call the thought to go and he get big belly.
Hey, Don Priest, why you dey draw one leg? You never come and make cut off. Don Priest, why you dey draw one leg? You never talk
about it. Don Priest, where your children? Don Priest, where your children?
Wait till do your leg, Don Priest.
Don Priest, where your children? Don Priest, your wife when you marry for Napoli.
Nigeria will fiango you, Don Priest. Wait till do your leg.
Your wife when you marry for Napoli, where are Don Priest? Where your wife when you marry for Napoli? Why you go get breast? Fowl when you drop for how could they be the fowl when you drop for no see chop Don Priest. Don Priest, fowl when you drop for no see food chop Don Priest. Kokon we draw you bought Don Priest or mami on avec bene no koko. Na push fowl you drop for push fowl.
It be like tanker. You know get like tanker.
Enogie don't call for TikTok. Now small down call the talking don't call. Enogie don't call.
Foundation don't call. Everywhere don't call.
Our foundation call now Enogie call follow. Foundation call Enogie call. Good afternoon. Foundation call now Enogie call follow.
Me na go call Sadi Plumber call for me. I no want shout to. I dey put out to Sadi Plumber no. O Sadi Plumber get mad. They on live video yesterday. We one they do live video. They one they scream. I don't know. On a live video. You don't depress me. One call they do a money. Call they do a money. He call they say people say they go they watch it. And maybe from what they go for live video. He go they watch what that guy tell live video reach 10 times yesterday. Come on, you go see go look for live video.
Me offer money kidnap. Me offer money kidnap.
You know one work. Are you born or super? Don Priest,
a gift of your
Don Priest, before you cut out to us on the TikTok, go bring your children. Where Don Priest, baby mama, Don Priest, baby mama, where are you? They say they don't give you document. Don Priest, baby mama, they say they don't give you document. Don't come up for Bodo. Where you come there?
Who be Oscar?
Now what name?
Who be Oscar?
Now what name?
We don't know.
Mary thought to uno the video generator. Mary thought to uno get light.
You know, we go find it to say. Go on.
Oscar na Benin there now. Oscar na Benin there for that. They want to do that one as monthly. It is say na equal and na Benin. No come shop big jaws for them. It is say na shoot bed.
Okay boy. Tell me not tell Oscar me on the live video. Me not see me on the camera. Me not see it. You don't go above.
May go carry go farm for equal land. For whether may go carry go farm. May no they call the carry Benin matter and come they put for a year. Don't flog down one day.
I beg, I use God beg una. Anybody when know Don Priest baby mama picture, mona send that for me. May Don Priest go to take care of children. Don Priest go to take care of children. He go to talk for TikTok. Anybody when know Don Priest baby mama when Don Priest marry for Napoli before they go France, mona send me number. I hear you.
That one we marry with all this so now me won't pen here. That one come and talk everything.
We never see that one and you surprised that one they do TikTok. And this one we do it for us now. Now we fair cash. More pen this one neck. I shall we lock my up for his ass. Say some woman.
Listen, babe.
We some fear you over. We some.
Tomorrow now the prison you go say you be mad. Obviously no man say me where you are no good.
Awa le yo e. Don Priest we le be da gbe u lewu Don Priest u lewu. E me da so e Don Priest. Very lazy man. France boys na so na dey do. France boys una too like affair now they look for France boys. Una too like affair, France boys una too like affair.
They no wan work.
Ayobo no so be we oye Don Priest ye gbugbu na. If you see Don Priest belle
18 years for Europe, Don Priest never fit do anything. 18 years for Europe, he never fit do anything.
Anybody will do send request. Anybody will do send no give money. Now that jewelry, Why you join with my
Oh, okay, no. See why Bado, you know what do your papa bury? I see why Bado. See why Bado, you know what do your papa bury? Your papa want to tip for mortuary. See why Bado. See why Bado, they call me, they say, no, let your pan neck, and I remember, Raz don't chop all the body. See why Bado, you know if you do your papa bury, I see why Bado, no fear, who Asha won't if you do bury, So Asha won't if you do bury, they say, Raz don't chop your papa finish.
Bro,
They say, Raz don't chop your papa finish. Where we bury, I see why Bado, you don't go do bury.
that one a small girl, bro. Make you leave that one. That one too big.
No, I don't go leave him. No,
bro.
never. I see ya, but I was walking here. I will see ya. Saga na everywhere. I mean, I see ya. I will live in a yak book, young. I live in a yak book, young, my brother. Saga. I'll tell you, go for Bino, my brother. Me see why Bado go bury papa. We want see why Bado carry undertaker for your papa or make the dance around. Oh, hey, Mary, and it is who about to eat, or hey, Mary, and it is who about to eat, or so about your papa, and fire, they go and fire. Fire, and I hope they go. You born to arches. Well, I shall was scripper. After scripper and a daybreak. Why he don't priest? Don't priest open man, they talk to me.
So you put beat for like better you man.
Hey, you see man, you carry beat for head for live video.
You carry beat for head.
You know that anything as you see and so and I will be na woman I dey feed down.
All these people they disgrace us on this social media. They disgrace us.
Europe come. Asawo money dey feed man. Men a come.
My gen level. You make the hospital, you make this Swiss. You make the Ulam, you make this street. You staff aside camp. They shop all lele. Each woman they cook all lele. They swell up.
All of us now upper no dig but dig big. All of us now upper boys so if you want try me and the mission new or go whether football Ghana and in the corner. We dey praise end of praise. Go buju e. Go buju e. You go let me
Monday to Friday, your day starts. I will Ladian. Nobody take fresh break. Nobody water.
Police station. Enogie win or
The priest now, your baby mama went to pick for you. He don't like my unit. Saga we go. You remember? Saga with TikTok. See, if it's not gonna worry there, I don't go live there. Your baby mama piece of this mommy. Is a drag on only allowed TikTok. Don't tell me you know where.